Okay.
Mix the cement with water at a ratio of 115 and stir thoroughly. Add a mini cast iron oxide colorant to adjust the color. You'll notice the material flows very well, making it easier to pour and capture fine details.
Okay.
Let it sit for at least 4 hours. It begins to set in about 1 hour and can be demolded after around 4 hours. After demolding, let it sit longer to fully cure. This material doesn't require additional water curing, and the surface remains stable without cracking. With different sizes and techniques, the OmniCast Cement can be used to create a wide variety of pieces. If you're into similar crafts, feel free to experiment and develop your own variations. Visit our website www.buanicol.com to explore more. Buanicol introduces OmniCast Cement, a unique material designed for craft enthusiasts and home decor lovers around the world. It offers great flow, high strength after curing, and captures fine textures and colors beautifully, making it suitable for a wide range of uses. If you've worked with plaster or concrete before, this might give you a different experience.